Sanibonani, long Fixo Splatters and Sheets, ubukele i-Inside Mbombela.
Listen to the melody, 'cause my love is in there. Just listen to the melody. Just listen to the melody. Just listen to the melody.
Welcome to this week's exciting episode of Inside Mbombela. I'm your host, Leo Gan. On this week's episode, we've got Fikile Mhlongo, who's gonna talk us through everything that makes food look and taste good. Mama Fikile, how do you wanna be referred to? Mama Fikile, Sesi Fikile, or Fixo?
Noma yini, noma yini, asithi Fixo.
Fixo.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Special welcome to you at Inside Mbombela. Please introduce yourself to my people. Basically, who is Fikile, aka Fixo?
Okay, Fikile Mhlongo. Labaningi bamatinga make Mhlongo. Ungumake. Umngani ongisibaningi. Labaningi bamatinga Fixo ke manje, that is why ngithi ngangibita Fixo. So ngathi leli gama Fixo bavele babambe kakhulu. So Fixo ubhizi ngemaplata, catering, nema-gift hampers.
Okay. How did you get the name Fixo? Like was it a childhood name? You got it from your ex? Like what happened?
Okay, Fixo is the shortest name for Fikile.
Yeah.
So yeah, for Fixo.
Okay. How was your upbringing?
Okay, Fikile uqhamuka endaweni yakaMsogwaba.
Pina represent.
Ukhulela kaMsogwaba, wafunda esikolweni eMsogwaba Primary. Then nase kafunda standard 2 wahamba wayohlala eLikazi, ngafunda eDiphembeleni. Sesa matric wami eStindini. So from standard 2 ngikhulela eLikazi until ngithola umshado ngamanyala ngasengihlala khona umshado.
So we-platters and treats. Into leyo uthathe usasemncane or something lokuqala enyanga usukhulile. Lokufikile lesimona enyanga. Is it the same girl njengoba nguye emsogwaba eSilikazi?
Akusuye. Angaticabangi ngisakhula ukuthi ngaba ngisomabhizinisi. Ngisakhula bekunalo ukuthi okay ngisafunda ngilesigaba lesi ngifuna ukuba i-social worker. Ngiyajika sengifuna ukuba ngithishera. Kwaya ngokuya noma yimpoza yami. So kwaya ngaloku njengoba ngisho ukuthi kwaya ngalokuya ngiyafunda, I'm a qualified plumber. Kwaya ngokuya kwasina kufika i-COVID sivalelekile la endlini, asathi ukuthi kufika sendini. Basivalele basho ukuthi singahlangani singendi nemaphathi. But kwaba nala sithi siyahlangana khona nebangani sendela lomunye but besibangane nje. Bathi angende iplata, mina ngithi iplata yo indodebe ngwathi ke jwayele kupheka amaphalishi. So basho ukuthi angende iplata. Okay, ngabuka ukuthi okay iplata basiphela kanjani, angikaze ngende phela. Ngahlanganisa lelo ngihlanganisa bona ngahamba naye. Sifika le labangani sesihleli siyadla. Wow. Muswena Zala ukwati kwenta ama-plats mina like
No.
ngiyacala ngale. Wathi lo mnye mngani wayungena ibhizinisi ngalo ngathi ibhizinisi bengingayicabanga vele.
But ukulodlala ngalo.
Ngathi laba abadlala ngami phela sesidonsana ngethishu lemali. Ngathi into ngiyicabanga. Uma ngifika endlini ngibuyele endlini ngoba bayibona. Senginaloko ukuthi asengiphindze ngiyende futhi. Ngabendela endlini bayijabulele. Ngathi nangibendela ngaba kuthi ngicabangani ukuthi ngingaqala ibhizinisi. Nalo ukuthanza kudlala kakhulu bathi awudlala ngathona wena nebhizinisi hayi
Hlangana.
akuhlangana. So mina ngilomntu othanza kuphosta kakhulu. Ngathi mangiyenda ngayiposta. Kwaba nabantu lababutako malini sifuna ama-plats ngathi angindi ama-plats. Kwaba nalomunye siswazi hayi mina ngiyawafuna ama-plats ala udonendele. Ngacala lapho. Wathi sesinaka order yaqala ibhizinisi njalo kancane kancane.
Yena lo sisi loyo. Your first official order.
Yes.
Usasekhona in your circle? Because I think she deserves thanks nje.
Okay, usasekhona Patience Mkhandawiri but ngigcine kutsala. And it was a big order. Ngaleso sikhathi wa-order 4 ama-plats.
Yeah.
Ngaba nalokuthi ngiyacala wena ama-plats lona ufuna 4 ama-plats futhi uhlolo nalo ngohlekwa le. And ngawenda aphuma ama-plats. But uma uwabuka nyalo. Hey, ungahlenga ngichameke ekuthini.
Oh, of course. You know, firstly, I thought you being a plumber was a nasty woman. Like I did run into it as well, so I thought it was a joke. so you said it twice, manje. So okay, fine, it's not a joke. So in a world where this one wanted to be a nurse, you know, a pediatrician, a police woman, and everything. What's he plumbing? Did you have a crush on a plumber? What happened?
Okay, njengoba ngishilo ekuqaleni kokuthi mawusakhula kuba naleti gaba. Kuye ngikamba ukuthi hayi noma yinkoza yami. So i-plumbing bengekho engqondweni yami. So ngaba nalo okay, kwaba nema-post.
Yes.
Basho ukuthi bafuna ama-plumber, abantu abatoka ama-plumber ngazi yo nemangqoliso angekho. Asayi apply. Hey, ngala ngithandaza ukuthi ngasi mangahlala bangibili. Okay. Mthandazo wami wangavakala. And ngala ngine certificate se project management and kuyahlangana letilo vele.
Yes.
So ngenhlanhla bangibita. Ngahamba ke ngebhasi sangaqala eklasini. Ngoba esikhathini lesiningi ngicale ngelibhuku.
Yes.
Then
Theory.
Theory then seniyabo practical.
Yebo mama.
So bathi kunetinto lebasatilungisa bacela kuve basiplaceile bangiplace e-Robs.
Okay.
Ngahamba ngayo 7 khona. Langa lokuqala mangithi ngiyafika lama toilet ase-Robs ngasibeke evamini. Anjani? Kunasisi lengafike ngamthola Khomotso Mkhana. She's an artist apha e-Robs. Wathi asami. Ngathi mina hayi hamba nalala abanye wathi hayi ngifuna kuhamba nawe asami. Mangifika lapha kunjani? Ngicishe ngaphala. Wathi hayi lena udo yi-unblock angithi njani ngoba ngikwadi. Wangikhomba ke ukuthi kwente kanjani. Lelo langa nasendlini vele angizanini.
Nokudla vele nje uphambane
Ngicabangela lapha lelo lengiyibonile ukuthi lo munye bekusengahlangani kahle silomuntu bekacetha ngathi bekade pelepele ngiyabona nalapha. Kuna pelepele. Then kwahamba sahamba sayeklasini. Ngikuhamba kwesikhathi ngaqala ngajwayela ukuthi okay
this one.
Yeah. So angisana inkinga vele. Ngingana inkinga ngoba vele kusena ngikhona ukudla ngidlela emini even namanje. So bengihamba ngiyosebenza bathi ayifuna udle something utogula ngoba kunema toilet. So ngingabi nenkinga ngathi ngolokugula sekungenile so bengihamba ngo-unblock ama-toilet emini ngiyata nokuthi ngiboneni sengikhohlwe so angisabi nenkinga vele even namanje.
Even namanje.
Yeah.
So le planning yakho that which for how long? How long did that play out?
Kanetinyanga ngisakhumbula ukuthi ngaketinyanga but iminyaka ugcwele then kwaba netinyanga letindedekako ke.
And I'm just happy that we're shooting this episode during Women's Month. And as far as I know, plumbing is definitely right up there as what is considered as male-dominated profession.
Yeah.
So no, shout out to you, Mom. Trailblazer, leading the way. Woman, I like that. I like that. Here's my weird question. I'm sorry, Shem. I'm itching. You know that there's how people behave when they're in a professional atmosphere and versus Mabasenji. So now I'm asking myself, I wonder how does Fixo look like or how does she act like? Masenji, I forget bonnet, some slippers and on a normal Saturday morning anything. Like how do you act? How was your day?
Fixo, ngathini? Unje njengoba umbona nje so ngilo lokubonako nje. So labanye banaloko ukuthi okay sikubona Facebook na uphendulana nebani ukuthi so okay impilo yami ya Facebook ihlukile kakhulu ayifani nalese nasebangibona live how fikile ushaye mara Facebook njalo unje njengoba umbona so
black and white like it's a book.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Akukho lokuhlukile ngolotokubona lokuhlukile kunalokho kuphelele.
So your love for food and catering, was it completely by accident or you had some formal training?
Okay, ukupheka ke ngathini I'm a self-taught chef. Ngikuthanda.
Those are the best chefs, by the way.
So angakufunzeki ukupheka. And ngike experience yokupheka ngisho ukuthi ayisezini. Le plumbing ngoba uma ngabe bantu bavutelwa amaphayiphi nani bathi ayikhona fikile angaze beve ukuthi mfati usayo la sivutela amaphayiphi so abakithi but bangathi sifuna umuntu ophekayo khona fikile batho okay buya so
abafuna ama credentials
bathi yeah right so ngala ekuphekeni ngisho ukuthi experience iyaqhubeka iyakhula njalo ngithi perfect so tsala ngithanda ke kupheka but ngingacabangi as a business nginokuphekela abantu for free ngathi ukuthi ngiyapheka nje so ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ukuthi simo semnotho yasibona ukuthi sime njani kuba nalabo advisor wayengacali wende into so even ekuthengisa kudla ayisinto lebengicabanga ukuthi nje ngicabanga mina ngathi usefuna ngekamlungu ngiyosebenza bangipholele. Nice one. So yeah.
Wait, do you do your own plumbing engine?
Yes.
Okay. Because honestly, it wouldn't make sense, would it, to outsource something that you could do yourself?
Yeah, but ngasikhathi uma ngabe ngathini ngivilapha ngoba akunamanga ngisudela ngibhadala ngendlini. Ngiyangicela kabi umhlobo sengiyamtshela ukuthi wenda lokhu uthenge ama fittings la so utobuya and naye so wenda usetulu kakhulu ngalokuthi ngimtshele ukuthi and so naye ngamthumela ukuthi ayihamba obalungisela ipipe so ufunzile so yathi Chica yun. Yes, so what are you? Chica yun. Eh? Hindi ba ito ba ako? Kasi ngitshele ukuthi bayakuthanda kanti Ngono sijike nayo sibatshele ukuthi awuyifuni uyakhala.
So, talk to us about Figzo's platters and treats. Iqale kuphi, iqale njani?
Okay, ngidobuyela emuva futhi ngisho ukuthi iFigzo kwaqala kwaba iFigzo's Platters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, iFigzo's Platters yaqala during lockdown. La ngisho khona ukuthi yathena iqala bese bangani sixoxa nje kusephathini then mangibuyela ekhaya. Ngicabanga sorry. Ngathi mangicabanga ngabona ukuthi hayi le ndiyaphila. Yabe sesiyaqala ngithi kuvaliwe indzawo letiningi so abantu baya order kancane kancane.
Yebo.
Kodwa beku slowly ngoba uma uqala ibusiness ngasikhathi uba naloko ukuthi okay kunazanele ngisupport. Kunazibani izala to support ngani akusebenzi njalo. I-social media niyo ilona yakho bathini i-supportive system yakho.
Yebo.
So ledi ngoba uma usaqala lokho awucabanga but kulesikhathi sanyalo nalo hleli nje ekhaya. Uma uqala ibusiness ungacabanga labantu boduzana nabo. They won't support you. Laba labangakwadi yibo labantu okusupporta.
Yebo.
Mina ngikhule ngifike la ngikhona khona. Ngikhuliswe abantu lengabadi.
Yes.
Laba lengibatiko batohamba bayothenga somewhere or baba naloko ukuthi nje utaselela dona lo nje kwenda wena lo so
It's sad ukuthi vele abantu abafuni, it's like they are worried ukuthi vele abafuni ukukuvusa. Like I don't understand ukuthi lento leyo yakuphi.
naleyo doubt ukuthi nje utosendela dona nje kumnanzi bona lo ayi thina sijwayele emaplata akuphi kuphi so sizohamba siyo order khona so kuba ngilo then ke kwahamba ngaloko ukuthi ngisho ukuthi uma umuntu akufuneki uvele ube comfortable leso space ucabanga ima ideas ibusiness kuba nala ivala khona ithule do so ufuna ucabanga ukuthi yini lenye longayini.
Yes.
So kwaba naloko ukuthi ngiyafisa manje kwenda lo market but ukuthi ufuna ngicale njani niye kuphi angathi.
Le ma gift uthi uhlanganise njani angiyithanza bo busy ngema platter
Yes.
and then le ma gift it just came to your head.
Business was slow down.
No, not really. Into le bengiyifisa maplata bewangakafika engcondweni vele. Yeah, so afika nje ngokuthi sekayafika but lokunye lo bengikubona ukuthi ngiyakhalela ukuthi ngahle ngikwenze ngiloko ma gift. So ngingaqo ukuthi ufuna ngicale njani kwenda ukuthi i-first born yami leyana ahlala khuluma lekhathi enda matric athi yathi ngiyafisa ukuthi mase ngibhala ngiyobhala bangangilethela study package asina kakhuluma angadi leso sikhathi blank ngamnandi sona biza khuluma so kuyendeka lenye ilanga ngiya kulesinye store sema China ngiyabona lamabox ngihlala ngonabela bengikubonela ekudzeni ukuthi letino tebengiyindaba order online ngilo muntu ukuthi lokunye mangikubona ngithathe kancane nami ngibe nalokuthi idata uthi nje ngizokwenda lo so ngiyabona sengiyaqala ngiyalandzela yini naloku study package kwakhona qala ngiyalandzela sengiyabona basho lesilwane lesi yabona okay naye so busy endlini ngoba yanisini it was October 2004 I think 2001 or 2021 so ngabo October bekabhala sengilanzelele ngachecka ukuthi yini study package ngihamba ngayobuka letinto takhona ngabuya ngahlanganisa la endlini sesikolweni akatilisho so mangihlanganisa letinto lakini kube naloko ukuthi ngifuna kubona le reaction yakhe
Oh,
iba njani
Yes.
mangiyomixela. Mara ngishuthela ngibani ivideo cause isikhathi sesikolo abantwana basesikolweni ngithi hayi ngibona iplan ngibona phambili ngikhulume nalomnye mngani wakhe asho ukuthi okay siyongena sikhathini sala sikhathini bha it's okay. Nakafika lo mntwana ngimtshele ukuthi ngifuna ukushuthela ivideo akumbona ukuthi uba njani ya
Yebo.
naneplay like so
mm.
kube ngiloko mangifika lesikolweni ngisho ukuthi ngimlethele shutha le video kwangijabulisa kakhulu mangimbona la ebusweni ukuthi kanjani kwaba ngilelo lebe ngifise yona.
Yebo.
So njengoba ngishilo ukuthi mina ngithanda ukuposta kakhulu ngathi uma ngibuya okay uma ngicala lento le ema-gift bengingayicala ukuthi sengiyacala ngebusiness ngicala ngokuthi ngendela umntwana phelele bayi-3 labantwana nguye lo mntwana nalo mngani wakhe bekangadi naye ukuthi ngimphathele ngiyabuya ngiyaposta ngiyafaka kwibayaview athi lo mnye sesi ngisiphile wakamthetho athi nami ngiyakufuna lokhu ngifuna ungendele ngithi nayi akuyendi mina ebhengendele umntwana athi ngifuna i-gift ungendele njengoba wendile lapha kulo mntwana ngithi i-gift it's fine ngaza ngasukuhlanganisela wathi ngithi i-video ngiyayifuna ngiyakuthuma njalo.
So literally Thuma mina icale lapho.
Thuma mina icale lapho.
Siphiwe ne?
Siphiwe Mthethwa.
Siphiwe.
Siphiwe Mthethwa, yes. Okay, ngihambe ngiye kuSiphiwe. Okay, anginike desikhulume konke kuphelele. Ngiye le angithuma khona. Wathi i-birthday yakhe akangitshela ukuthi ngithini. Mina ngokuthi icabangela kwami. Ngayothi ijunela-ke ngafika ngasho ukuthi mina ngacala ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ngifikile ngithunyiwe uSibani ngamniketa-ke i-gift. Mangibuyela ekhaya okay before ngaposta i-video yaSiphiwe. Kwaba nalomunye futhi washo ukuthi naye ufuna into lesona. And mase ngibuyela ekhaya ngiyenda lento singiyacabanga ukuthi musi lento ngiyayibona iyaqhubeka iyaphila. Okay. Nayiphila sina sisale siyetha and ngala ngifika uSplatters.
Yes.
Then cabanga kwami sengicabanga ukuthi no akusale kuba ngithuma ngini. La masingeta stothi ngifika uSplatters and treats ngiwo lama treats masikhuluma ngema-treats ngilama gift that is why abantu abaningi babe sebadide kumbathi ngifuna kwathi amaplata ukuthi malini sengimnikeza i-prices emaplata athi hayi ngifuna amaplata ngifuna ama-gift temper kakhulu lokuhlukanisa ukuthi yofika uSplatters and treats ma-treats sikhuluma ngalama gift tempers. Yes. Kwabe sekuba ngithuma mina ngihamba ngayoprintisa ngeskipa vele lesibhaliwe ukuthuma mina. So njalo manje ngiyopresenta ngiyasho ukuthi ngithunyiwe abantu labaningi sebasho bathi nangithuma mina ngifikile ngiyakhumbula ngiya eStandard Bank nomcebo sho ukuthi nangithuma mina sofikile njalo laqhubeka ngalekani.
Mama, you're good with names. like honestly speaking, some of these things happened like 4 years ago, but you remember name and surname. No, that's to be commended, really, because I don't remember half the last 4 numbers of my own phone number half the time. How often do I call myself? That's how I console me. Wow. I wonder actually. When I heard Tumamina, the first thing that came to mind was the president, and and I was asking myself, I wonder if I doubt they would have trademarked it. So I wonder if there was an official letter that came from the office of the presidency that you know what, it's fine, you can use it, or maybe really.
No, Tumamina uqhamuke nabo labantu bathi nangithuma mina sengithunyiwe ngoba vele mangisho ngiyasho ngithunyiwe vele ngithunyiwe ngithunywe ngiso uthi angithi kuyithi
Lama message awu lo lofika uwasho lapha kulabantu. Ususukini kwabantu okuchangela nawo.
Lamanye bayanginika labantu then nami sengiyadifakela kwami. Labanye basho ukuthi hayi wena siyakuthemba utofika ufake ko6 gani bakho le hambisa le.
If I don't know, I just got an idea now, and then I need to say, why does it only end on sending good news? Wouldn't it be dope to get bad news with a gift?
Like bad news, like
Bad news like, so we have to let you go, but here's a bottle of Jack.
She's not a bit of bad news.
I'm just saying.
ngiyakuva but ngiyacabanga ukuthi kulokunye okay ayisikuthi ngasikhathi ngisuka ngikisa leti mnanzi kuphela.
Mom.
Esikhathini esiningi ngiyamikisa naleti ngase right ukuthi asho ukuthi umuntu bacabene endlini ucela ngiyamgcolisela. Nayo le one ku TikTok. So lamanye bayacela ukuthi ngingawapost. Ma video lenibona ngiwapostile usuka ngivumelene naye ngabhala ukuthi asivumelane kuze ngifike lapho. Kwendeka ukuthi ngithunywa nomake wasendlini. Zanele uyangithuma. Ungithuma kubaba wakhe. Angithi bashadile bahlala bonke endlini.
Yebo.
So uma angithuma angeke ngibide amagama so uma angithuma ngamikisa ke mangimikisa ngiva sengifonelwa ngibaba wangitshela ukuthi Mike cela ukhiphele ya video ungayifaki ku social media angifuni ukuba siku social media. So ngabona ukuthi kuze kuthi in future ngingabi nenkinga leso kwendeke kabili futhi nasesi khona le bangithuma kuye kwendeka naye angifonela wathi khipha le yabona yo hayi ngayithuka kwendeke kanini. So ngabona ukuthi no lento into ngihlupha le angibhale imigomo nembanzelo kokuthi mangabe ngiya kushootha ngimchazele ukuthi ivideo unopermitwa nguwe ukuthi ngiposte mara ngicela uvumelane nemlingano wakho kokuthi kunento lesoso lento wendeke. So uyabuya so ungangibona ngipostile sisuke sivumelene sekuba nalabo khanda shisa ke angamtsheli kulobabe athi wambuza se uyayiposta njenganyalo kuva ikhona lenhlangabezene nayo. Ngimtshelile ngasho ukuthi ivideo ngipost ngaphandle kwemvumo yakho WhatsApp lele ungayipost kwabanza balenkulu ngifonela babe washo ukuthi sese mina ngiswini khipha video.
I wonder then if we shouldn't get everything written down, even on black and white. I feel them from
Nginayo.
okay.
Nginayo.
So by sign and everything.
Nginayo, yes. So ngimchazele baba ukuthi okay kuhamba so.
Yeah.
So I understand again.
Okay.
Then ngabe sengiyayikhipha.
Okay. So ukuthi ngimi lo bengakuvisisa ngakahle angibengicabanga ukuthi bele ngiyayikhuluma.
Nako bhayo ngayiposta futhi.
Okay.
Yeah, ngayiposta. So nyalo angafuni lokuyiposta masishane ngoba kuto bese sekubonakala kuyakusheshe kuyabonakala ukuthi okay shothi ngile video bese bayikhiphile kuthi ngihamba kwesikhathi sengiyayiposta futhi ngibakhumbule ngizokwenda njalo futhi ngibakhumbule ukuthi angipost ivideo ngaphandle kwemvumo yami.
Do you have permission to post this one on YouTube?
Yeah, 100,000.
I know we can give you 100,000 meticals. Lay on course. 100,000 meticals. I can't boy. You can't such a easy.
After we started the Chumamina, high school, who became your cameraman, frequent cameraman?
My son, Sianda Mhlongo.
Okay, fine. Manje maskhuluma nge-meticals. I got an idea. If somebody vele based at Beira in Mozambique afuna the service, how would that be possible? Or vele nje creativity iphelela iBeitbridge?
Okay, ithuma mina yala eMpumalanga.
Yebo mama.
But iyaphuma iye
Okay.
kuletinye tindzawo.
Okay.
So uma usho ukuthi wena ule eBeria ngiyasho ukuthi ngicharge malini
Oh.
sewuyangibhadala ngihamba ngiyakhona noma kuphi.
Noma kuphi ne?
Yes.
Okay, no, that's beautiful. Fixo, how do you what other services do you offer? Good to wear Fixo's platters and treats.
Ring, maplata, then nalama heat timbers.
So, and how do you charge, especially the treats side of it?
Okay, glama treats agatizwa yana price list.
Okay.
Esikhathini lesiningi bahlala bathi bafuna i-price list yema-treats.
Mm.
Angibi nayo ngoba letinto lebatifunayo
Iyahluka,
letinye ayisithi into lengivame ukuthi usebenzise. So uyangitshela wena kokuthi mina ngifuna into letisolo so sengiyasho ukuthi kuyoba imali leso.
Okay. No, I like that. I think it's clear. And if everything will make I'm going to have any issues moving forward. Inside the Bombellians, you guys are not aware, but we do actually have a celebrity amongst us today. She doesn't believe that she is, but we know better. Mama, you won 2 awards, as far as I know, that we know of. Best of Mbombela 2022 and...
Okay, bathini give credit where it's true.
Yes, ma'am.
Asengisho ukuthi la ngicale khona kuwina i-award ngiwine ku-Hustling Honeys kuTolile Sithole. Sho ukuthi wabona i-potential. Bang-nominator for i-Best Chef and Best Hustler of the Year in Nkomazi. And ngabuya nawo. Position 5 and 4 angisakufundile ukuthi ku Best Hustler position 5, then ku Best Chef ngaba position 4. Bengicala bengayazi ndima award. So ngaqala lapho. Babese sekuya ngokuya ngabe sengiyanominatwa i-Local Media Best Breakfast ne Best Takeaway. Then mavote lamaningi aya ku Best Breakfast, so ngawina i-Best Breakfast in Mbombela. Kwabuya futhi abakhona futhi eNkomazi, it was last year.
Yes.
Yeah, akhona futhi ngaphinze ngawina le Best Chef ne Best Hustler. But solo position I think in 4 and 5. Yeah, then again, basiphinza futhi Local Media abakhona futhi ma award ngayithola futhi ukuthi ngithole kabili. Leyo vele position 1 by 1 la eMbombela ngoba winile la Best Breakfast in Mbombela.
Yes.
Fixo's platters around Mbombela.
How did it feel when you took the top prize? You know, I mean, you literally went against the who's who, your Hagen Beans, white people who've been doing this edge for 45 years plus. And along came you and kicked the door in. Congratulations. How did it feel?
Angathi ukuthi ngathi ngafila njani yabona naso ubuka labantu laba bogcizelana nabo ukuthi kudzala bakhona la and wena usafika nawe ithethe and not number 2 number 3 but number 1
and not once but
not
twice. It's not a small feat. It's not a small feat. It could be and like honestly speaking, I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. You know, you said something earlier on in reference to giving credit where it's due. I'm gonna give credit where it's due as well right now. The people, your support group, and friends, family, the people who constantly kept telling you use those words quite a lot. Those are the people that we should actually stand up for and clap hands because so no, I think we need more of that.
Yeah.
We definitely need more of that as blacks, as people actually. As people. So Mama, where to from here?
Asengisho ukuthi ngiyafisa ukutibona nami ngikhomba ishop lenkulu ibhaliwe Fixos Platters and Treats. La bantu batofika khona bafike bangene mhlambe bathathe leyo gift kungathi ngikuthi ngisayi-prepare bafike ayithathe ahamba endlini or bafike bangene bafike badle sabe sebayahamba. Banyalo bengibhizi ngema-takeaways kokuthi abantu bafike bathathe babe sebayahamba and labaningi akubaphathi kahle lokho bafuna lokuthi bafike bahlale phasi badle le nje ukuthi bathathe bahambe akubaphathi kahle. So ngiyafisa lokho kakhulu nokuthi iFixos Platters and Treats ifike kulele tinye tindzawo ithumameli kulele tinye tindzawo baningi bantu labafonako from KwaZulu, Cape Town bathi kani ngalana uvula ibranch ufika nini. Ngiyafisa lokho ukuthi ikhule noma ngithole ama-sponsors ukuthi bathi hayi nayi imoto nepetrol noma ngangikuphi la ufuna kuya khona shona khona.
Like this. Now, Tina, what we wish for you is that your one shop, even a franchise, why not? Let's have a Fixos Platters and Treats in Pinetown. Why not? And definitely one in Mdantsane. They need it.
Yeah.
Mommy, what's the process of sending a gift to a loved one?
Okay, uyangifonela ngisho ukuthi umuntu akangifonele mhlambe 2 days before.
Yes.
But kuya ngale tinto latifunako kunale tinto lokuthi funa kuyo engraver i-embroidery leto tiyethatha isikhathi ngoba namayitengelo safuna ngikumikise ngifike ngifole ngoba kunalabanye labasebenza ngakho. So mawufuna tinto letinjalo kukahle ukuthi umnikede isikhashana ungavele ufone namuhla uthi ufuna igift kusasa. So umfonela ngesikhathi mhlambe day before nakungahluphi letinto letifuna kusho ukuthi okay nalokho bese sengiyakuhla. But before nguhlanganisela ube sowubhadalile i-full payment angisebenzi nge-deposit ngifuna i-full payment sengiyaqala ngiyasebenza ngihamba ngikudeliver.
Until vele unema overheads or you creating something from nothing. Just the packaging alone doesn't cost involved. Lokhu ngena ngikhathi vele there's a price involved. There's a friend of mine, a friend of mine who's a girl. I think I'm gonna give you her numbers. She every year on her birthday she sends herself flowers. Like and she acts so surprised on some and what to me is funny as well. So I think this would be a nice spin on top of it. Then and say, wow,
Okay.
to mommy, okay.
Yeah. Okay, ngicela kungangenile kuleyo ngoba yes, yeah.
Wow. Mommy, Bina, through the process of organizing for this podcast, I found another you, if I can put it like that, online. Another you that I was convinced was you, but apparently this you is not you, it's another person.
Okay.
And they do everything so it's cut and paste. It's Kobe, it's carbon copy. And are you related to this Adam Kong or Velenji? What's going on?
Which Mhlongo?
Okay, definitely not Dumi. Dumi is one of the good guys. Definitely not.
Okay.
Baningi man.
Baningi but good lo mnyele ngathi ngihlobene naye.
So this person who's doing the whole having your services online, who do you any idea who it could be?
Hey, angimadi.
Yeah, fisa kuhlangana naye, you guys can have an adult conversation.
No. Angifisi kuhlangana naye sengimbonile ku social media. Ithethe i-idea yami then yeah.
What does that make you feel?
Okay, kwekuqala angizange ngiphatheka kahle. Ngalokuthi nangithi ngiyabuka ngiyabona ukuthi lo muntu wende vele exactly lento lenyendana. Noma ngabe yena antshintshile ukuthi sowufaka singisi. But nje ngiyabona ukuthi wende lento le exactly lenyende yona. Ngeva buhlungu but again ngaba naloko ukuthi sinabo Shoprite bo Truworths nananti ngetotitolo. Kunele kungenabo umdoba abazange ba-give up bathi ngoba sekunalaba abasithathela ngesikhathi uyabona kunaleti tolo ukuthi Adidas uthole uMtofa sekabhale Adidas yabona nalo uthi uyayibuka lelo vele iyafana nekusehlukana but ke kulo kuyafana vele nangale ndlela shutha ngakhona uyabona ukuthi homework wabuka ukuthi thuma mina nakenda uyavela akaveli leading level isinje kuphela so ngaba nalo ukuthi kunje so ngiyive buhlungu siphela nefuna bese sekuyandlula injalo business.
No, that's true. The pie is big enough, village. That's what I think. What you really like. Now, there's enough gifts. There's so many celebrations that are due, so it's fine. It makes sense. It reminds me of that guy who he had a spaza. We can call it a spaza. And on the left, this is back in the day, an OK opened.
Okay.
And on the right, a ShopRite opened. And so he changed the name of his building and Abala Entrance. So everybody who wants to go into those shops, Batalabu, is like, hi, Bokande. I was going to ShopRite, and I was like, Bofuna and Mom. No, Bofuna in Pope. Yes, God. So that's it. And so I think what I'm trying to say is that you rise to the challenge if you value something. Nobody promised you an easy start. I know you're shelling from now on. It's got and we got you.
Yeah.
Mami, kuna anything that you'd like to tell your 22-year-old who's stuck on the couch today on some years and I don't know what to do with my life, but I don't like where it's going?
Okay, ngathini singulendlu lemnyama siyavela kakhulu. I know ukuthi kuthengisa ayisiko wethu sonke but isimo sanyalo siyasiphocelela ukuthi vele kufuneka uyothengisa le nje ukuthi udohamba uyocela ayisebenzi and something noma kungasiko kuthengisa ke and something i-social media iyakwakha iphindze ikuthengele so and something nayo i-business ye-podcast nifaka lapha ku-social media njalo iyakhula so leyo something lo yendako noma ngabe yini faka lapha ku-social media njalo udokhuliswa ngilabantu laba labangakwathi nalokuthi uhlale uthi wena ngifunzile naleti certificate tama bangicashe sekuphelela ngeke ngize ngihambe ngiyothanyela angeke ngize ngihambe ngiyothengisa and something leyo mali lencane itokhula kancane ufike la ufuna kufika khona and kule question le locetha kungibuta yona ngalenza baleya le concept ungabi naloko ukuthi okay sebangithathele le idea yami sengiyagive up sekuphelele njalo asigive up ebusinessini khumbula ukuthi wayo uqalile
yes
uyiqale njani kusukela lapho uzoyiqale uyapi nalento and nawenda into ube uyithanza ngihlala ngisho ukuthi ebusinessini ufuna ube nenhlitiyo khona nalokubeketela ukwata kuba khona kunemaclient lamanye lasikwatisa ukuthi lo inhlitiyo umtshele but ke ukhumbule ukuthi ubusiness wayoqalile wawukwata isikhathi lesidze ukwata leso sikhashana kundlule
yes ma
ube sesoyandlulisa uqhubekela phambili so ngayangalo ukuthi okay sebangithathele idea yami hayi angisendi ngcono ngisale ngijinja ngoba bengipende ngekhala lepink sengifaka le green ngoba lo yaso ithethe le pink no it doesn't work like that ubeka ngalendo yakho lo uyenda bayati ukuthi ngibani lo iqalile wayo iqalile uze ukhule ufike la ukhona bachazwe ngilendo lo solo uyena batochubeka lelenye ilona bathini photocopy kumbe ayichubeke nayo iyati nemarezins wayo ukuthi wayiqalile siyachubeka njalo ngiyokushilo ukuthi le price inkulu kakhulu so ungagive up.
What I like about your concept is that it's your idea, which means you thought it through. You know what's step 1, what's step 2. Not all about so step 3, but only you know what step 4 is. So this person, game plan, which formation, so it's fine. let's see, the time will be the best decider on who's doing a better job. And I know who's gonna win. I hope they do.
Is it a
but
competition?
singafiki lalapho kokuthi sibuke ukuthi ngibani ngoba uma kuso labanye babanalo ukuthi hayi lo muntu ohluleka lo muntu asikuyekeleni ibhizinisi nje asichubekeni.
I get a sense of there's a lot of religion as a background to Figile. Am I reading you correctly? That whole turn the other cheek thing. I mean, like that's God talking. Most people wouldn't take it with a smile on their face.
Yeah, lokunye ngiyasho khona la ngingabhala khona ku business page. ngishilo nyalo ukuthi I social media iyabakha.
Yebo.
Iphindze ikudzilide futhi. So uma ububusiness cabanga mawuposta kungamani uposte ukuthi ujabuliswa ukuthi uthole ama likes or more comments. Esikhathini lesiningi nalabantu labo ukuthi mawupostile ungaposta mhlawumbe iplatter yakho ihemp ungabe nemuntu no reactor ungabe na likes ungabe na comments. Kunebantu labahlala bakubukile ukuthi wena ukhuluma njani nama client ukhuluma njani nebantu yini into lo tiposta lapha ku social media. So njengayo le lo munye mhlamba angasuka ahambe ayo attack why uthatha ilona yama kwenziwa njalo business. Uma ithethe leyo concept yakho miyekele achubeke awuli nebantu ku social media noma ngabe umuntu uyakulwiza mawubona ukuthi awusana magama manje ungamphenduli uyekele ngitso ungali ku social media ungadifaki kuboma politics ngalo business. Uma ngabe mina ngitifaka ku politics ngiyabekisa party A ngihlala ngiposta party A lapha party B ngeke azangisupport mina labanye lento yepolitics bayithatha serious kakhulu personal. So baba nalo ukuthi okay ngoba lo ngiphathi ngino singamsupport asambisile
Bayenza religion.
Iba neutral mawu business nabathi bayalwa ngalana hey lo muntu umbulaleni wenda soso nasothi hambulaleni ungacomment akusiko konke lokufuna ukuthi ucomment kubo lokunye impinza undlule.
Yebo.
Ungafuni kuba sibheka kune comment and lokunye kunalabantu bokucomment afune lokubu
Yebo, to get a reaction from one level.
Yeah. Lokunye nanokusho ukuthi ungalinzeli ukuthi abantu bahlala basho lokuhle ngawe ngebusiness yakho. Lenye langa batokutshela ukuthi hey iplatter yakho hayi injanjani angisengahlangabetana nabo lokho. Okay, lenginokuhlangabetana nabo ikhona icomment ngayiyekela ngamabomu. Lomunye wangitshela ukuthi hayi uyabhora man sama lesinye style. Angizange ngireact ngayiyekela le comment ngaloko ukuthi akufuneki ujwayele lokuthi kufuneka kuhlala basho into letihle ngawa akukho normal lo angeke ube 100% ngayiyekela netso.
I think somebody once told me that you should not show up to every argument that you get invited to.
Especially ku business.
Yeah.
Nolokunye mhlambe ngale nakhona angisho ukuthi so ungayekelela ku personal page ukuthi nawuthuka abantu nani. Iba careful ngalolo kushobo nalolo kwendawo ku social media ngoba kuyahamba khambe ubuye emva kwesikhathi kuseyiphela wena wenda so social media.
Yeah, no. Once something goes online, I sue. It's there.
Social media ayikhohlwa wena ungakhohlwa ukuthi ngathuka ipresident but social media ayikhohlwa. So nje kakhulu kade ku business iba careful ungafuni ukuthi wena ube sibheva bakubone ukuthi hey wena uyakhona kuphendlana nabantu ngamane bathi awulibele uhluleke ukukhuluma lo kude business yethu.
You know, funny enough, a lot of young people are not even aware of background checks on you on something as simple as a job application. On some, okay, fine, we see she's a 24-year-old, it's cool, and everything, but how is Figile when she's not Spanish? They go online and check out, like when you aced the interview, you know, they asked for my reference, everything happened, but up until that final hurdle, so between the hours of 11 p.m. and 3 a.m., Uthuka abantu online. We don't want such a person. No, that's dual personality. We don't want that.
Yeah, ngafuna ukujabulisa abangani ngento letokulimata ngikuhamba kwesikhathi. Lokuyekele nami. Njengami ngiyasho ukuthi angisuye umuntu othanda kulo. Labanye shothi beba njengayo kule ngiyobuyela futhi kule post yona. Enzela ukuthi ngitolwa ngento lokwana lokho akwenzi kanjalo. Uyakuyekela nje. Kude lenkuluzi.
The same way it
So
can.
ifeeds splatters and treats iphelele bantu solo bayafona bafuna feeds splatters and treats.
Where are you based, by the way? You work from home?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ngisebenzela endlini ngala ngase Ilanga Moyo.
Okay.
Lapho Ilanga next to Safubi.
Mama, that I'm giving you the floor. Talk to my people. Like if you had something maybe that you feel like I didn't quite go deep into. Like no, it's fine. What can educate them?
Okay, before ngibafundisa ngifuna qale ngibonge ku Buddhisicelo. So before bangitshela nge-interview lamagama la achamuka ngemuva kwale interview bathi Buddhisicelo washo ukuthi umsebenzi wami uyawuthanda e-studio sakhe lenye ilanga ngaba na fit ngamthola njani. So ngiyabonga kakhulu Buddhisicelo ukuthi ubone umsebenzi wami omuhle. Ngibona ngifanelekile ukuthi ngitohlala la ngingacabanga ukuthi ngalelinye lemalanga ngingahlala enzaweni lesona. So ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngibonge naku Domin Jones ukuthi angihlanganise nawe. By the way, Domin Jones, we are not related.
Hey. Okay.
Sihlangane ku Facebook. Yeah, kwaba naloku hlobo lo njengoba ngisho ukuthi ku Facebook hlobo ngale. Okay. Ngaphandle kwe Facebook yabathanza abantu uyathanza lokudlala. So ngaloko fikile wati createla ifamily. Labaningi asikaze sihlangane nabo. But ngendlela singakhona ku Facebook. Ngathi siyadana. So mina sihlangane through social media nakhona sihlangana nalo singilomdo ukuthi nabapostile something ngendlela ngakhona angisabi ke Facebook. Ngihamba nje ngiyokhomenta noma njani. So sahlangana lapho na Domi kwatholakala ukuthi ingqondo ya Domi cishe iyafana nale yami ukuthi siphendulana naye Domi ku Facebook ongalenye indlela but nasombona live utozuma ngalo kuzayo. Yeah, uma ungambona ku Facebook kunjalo ke. So yeah, ngifuna kubonga kakhulu ithuba leningiphe lona. Nalabo labantu babasasibukele ngiyabonga kakhulu. Uma uhleli ekhaya ukubusiness slow, don't panic njalo business. Khona ngiloko ukuthi funeka ucabange ngaphandle. Ungathi na uthengisa amatamatisi so concentrate akule amatamatisi. Buka lokunye ukuthi yini lengingayenza. Lengangenisela imali because i-business ngasho ukuthi isizina. Like my gift okay bantu bakhona labahlala ba birthday. Kunala siyesibuke khona ukuthi uye Valentine bato order banga order. Kuba njalo usuke ungakathakathwa. Lenza kudlule. Kuba nesikhathi la ukuthi baya order ungalali. Ngala amaplata ngala catering kuba ngiloko nje. So iba nesineke ucabange ngaphandle kwebhokisi. And then ungakhohlwa i-social media. Njengoba uyocala ukuthi uyacala kwenye business, ungabuki bomzala nebangani, they won't support you. Hamba ku social media. Labanye batothuthi uyacala uyaposta bathi yini ngona lokho bakhona la. They train ukuthi enhlitweni yakho lokho ungabonaki kakhulu kuyekeni. Ungalenzeli lokuhle kakhulu. Bepost business yakho ku social media. Labanye bayakwakha ngendlela right ukuthi hayi why lamatamatisi akho ungawabhaki ngendlela lesona. Njalo uyakhula, uyangena ku internet uyachecka ukuthi okay yini lengayenda ukuthi ngi-improve la. Kuba njalo uyakhula njalo ku business. So ngiyatholakala ku TikTok Instagram, Facebook, Fixus Platas and Shades, number yami 065-952-6045. Ngiyabonga.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is Women's Month in South Africa, and funny enough, this is my first interview on Inside Mbombela in the last 7 months with a woman. So yes, it hit me now as we were busy recording this. So yeah, I guess it was we were waiting for the perfect woman, and congratulations, you are.
Thank you. You're perfect.
So guys, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And before I forget, last episode hit 550. 550 what? Yeah, genuine. My people know, my old school head guys know the song. 550 what? Yeah, we got to 550 views in the last video. So now, feeling the love, loving the comments, loving the sharing and all that jazz. Let's spread the love. Let's go together as a people. That's all that I'm saying. Mami, thanks for gracing us with your presence, Shem. I think you're awesome.
Ngiyabonga.
I think it's awesome. And then I think your food tastes that good because the main ingredient is love. Loving your work, and I hope really you go from strength to strength moving forward.
Ngiyabonga.
Inside Mbombela, Leo Gang out.